Welcome to our first video on this channel, Kettle Haven Ranch. And we're starting off with just a little tidbit video showing cattle being moved by means of a drone, and only a remotely operated drone. This is the Hubsan Zino. Quite honestly, I only have a few flights on it. It is working with a 4K camera, gimbal mounted, 3-axis, 30 frames per second. I'm not sure what reaction I'm going to get out of these cattle. I've never seen cattle being moved with a drone before, so I'm being very cautious, starting from a higher altitude, letting them get used to the sound of it, which is it's a quiet drone, but still, I want them to get used to it. You can see them looking back up at the drone. Now I'm going to bring it down a little lower, and with that camera, even though we have late season hay here that didn't get cut because it was, quite honestly, not good enough, you can see, and then across the stubble, you can see definition with that camera. Looking back up on the hillside, there is actually a gold mine, a real gold mine. That's across the river. And what I'm going to try to do is get around the cattle here. Get them up on their feet and get them slowly walking to the left across the field. Here I just hit a break, and now we're moving them. It is starting to rain and it is windy, which it's very interesting that the quality of the video and the stable video shots we get out of this, even with the wind the way it is and the rain. This one cow here, she's not in too much of a hurry to get going. She's still laying down. She's got a little calf there, and if they're together, they feel safe. She's not going to move until the calf moves off. There, the decision's made. You can see the gopher holes in the field. We have a lot of pocket gophers, and future videos are going to be showing just how to get rid of them. What's the method that works? It's still safe for the wildlife, but is effective. She's looking at me. I'm moving that drone all over the place. I almost augered it into the ground there, just trying to get her to move. I actually had to restart the video because it was close. But here I have them all moving, making sure that the coast is good on both sides. And down the field we go towards the pump house. The very top of the screen, you can see a pole. There's actually electrical wires coming down for the pump house and actually go across the river to a residence on the other side. So I have to be careful about that one. But it looks like it's working. They're moving. They're not stampeding. They're just moseying on down the field, which is what I was intending to do. And looks like that was successful. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll try to have more exciting videos in the future.